I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. Keep watching. Everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Soraya. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful painting. It's a balloon smash, and I had a little bit of trouble with it, and it kind of changed along the way, but it ended up being so beautiful. It's kind of like a spring garden, and in fact I am looking for a name for it, so if you leave a name suggestion in the comments, I'd really appreciate it. So keep watching. I've got close-up pictures and commentary throughout. Okay, so as you can see, I have some very spring-like colors. There's a purple, a yellow, a lovely green, and an orange and white, and they are all mixed with 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint. I'm going to do the background first, and then I'm going to use the balloons for balloon smashes, and some people like to call them balloon kisses, which is very sweet. So I think I'm going to do a little bit of this green as a background, and I'm going to blow it out. And I'm going to use a bit of this white as well, so it's not really dark. And I want a little bit of yellow on this side here, maybe down here. Okay. Now I'm going to use these colors in the balloon smashes, and I've got paper towel here so that I can wipe them off each time I use them. So I'm just going to make little puddles, and I'll start down here, right about here, puddle. The purple is just beautiful. I hope this turns out well. Okay, here we go. First smash. Oh, we lost a lot. Look at the colors there. That's gorgeous. I love that. I'm loving these colors. They're so vibrant. It's getting warm outside, warmer. It's been so cold for so long here in Canada that I'm just anxious for spring. The kisses sound so pretty. Very lovely there. Well, I was going to wait and see how it looked dried up, but the more I look at it, the more it's not something that I really, really like. It's really love, you know, it's pretty. There's so many nice patterns, but I'm not loving it. So I'm going to do something totally different and just see where this takes me. I'm going to add kind of I'm gonna do it much more of an abstract. Let's see what happens. I was so sorry to have to cover up those beautiful patterns. I really love those. I just didn't like the background very much. I haven't used these kinds of vibrant colors in a very long time, and that purple with the orange was and is so beautiful. If you want to do this, just remember to have fun with it. That's what painting is all about. Don't get too serious. Enjoy the colors, enjoy the process. After playing with it for just a little bit, I decided instead of putting puddles, just use the colors that's already there, and I think that was a really good decision. There was plenty of paint there to do some lovely balloon smashes, and I got some gorgeous patterns. This area was just a little bit too dark, and so that's why I decided to add that bit of bright yellow and orange to brighten up that whole area. Okay, so I'm a lot happier with this now. It looks like kind of like a spring garden to me, and with all these balloon smashes, and I was just too impatient to wait. So I went ahead and smashed while the sub painting was still wet, but I think it looks really, really pretty. It is different for me, which I always like to experiment, and I'll see how it looks like, what it looks like when it's dry, but I really like it. I really like it a lot. I think I might emphasize these smashes or kisses once it is dry. So I'll see you back here in just 1 second. Okay, so it's 24 hours later and it dried beautifully. Look at that. I am very, very happy with this. And I think I might add a little bit more smashes. I'm not sure. I'm still thinking about it, but it does look great. I'm very happy with it. So you may or may not see me in a second. Some say love, it is a hunger, an endless aching need. I say love, it is a flower its only seed. Throughout the enhancement, I'm looking for areas where I can highlight and enhance and put petals just to bring it all together, make it really cohesive. Sometimes the flower shape was already there, sometimes lighter, sometimes darker, and I just worked to bring it out. I love these deep, rich colors. What do you think? Okay, and here it is all done. I am so happy with it. I do love it now. I'm loving the colors and the enhancement that I did for these flowers. It does look to me like a spring garden with perhaps some dandelions, maybe that one. But still, I think it turned out so very beautiful. So happy that I decided to change the original, even though I had some very beautiful patterns. But I think this turned out a little bit more abstract and more interesting. I do need a name for it, so let me know in the comments section what you think would be a good name for this painting. And if you click on the link you see now, you'll see a lot more of my enhanced pours. Check out my new Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts and Pours. Promote your art. The link is in the description area below.